so we started demo on this thing, peeling back that awesome diamond plate, revealed some real crusty cross member. So we're gonna get that out. They do sell an OEM replacement for that, but they're currently out of stock, so we want to get this job done fairly quick. So we're just going to go ahead and run some 2x3 rectangular tube across it to replace that old rusty cross member, and pretty much going to frame it out. So we're going to be boxing it in, running some stringers, and then just cover it with a nice piece of sheet metal. Real plain and simple. Not too bad overall. Obviously that's like the most common spot for the F100s, that header panel, that cross sill, and then the bed rot, like pretty much all of them do. But yeah, other than that, everything else is pretty good, nice and structured. So should be able to get some good bracing on there and then get this thing back up to solid. So keep on rolling. We got the back all framed out, everything's looking really good. We're just waiting on some more metal to cover the top. This thing is super sturdy now, no BS. That front cross member was rusted out, so we went ahead and fixed that, and yeah, solid, just going nowhere. Yeah, so we're just waiting on some of the sheet metal to get cut out, and we'll get that installed. Nice simple bed floor. That about wraps it up on the bed floor. We got it nice and solid. Everything came out really good, super structural. He has a nice usable bed floor now. You can throw your bikes back here, whatever you want. Extended the Boyd fuel tank filler right here. That way you can fill it up. Just do some chassis paint on there. I think that about wraps it up. So we'll see you on the next one.